Hello, this is Brigadier Mofai Jude from Digitalbes Limited. Today, I want to discuss with you about one of the services we offer at Digitalbes Limited, which is website maintenance. And because of that, I'm going to be showing you a mini events management system we designed for a client that wants us to manage the entire website, including the events aspect of it. But we feel it's not necessary that anytime there's an event, we just need to come and start designing a WordPress page because their website is running on WordPress. So if we design a management system to handle that event, instead of coming to design a new page anytime there's an event, they can easily post it from the back end which we have designed, right? Then after that, I'll now take you through some of the services and solutions we offer at Digitalbes Limited, which you can also explore at www.digitalbesltd.com. Right, let's go and see that. Here's the event management landing page. So we created a page whereby the two events they want to host will drop, which is their 25th anniversary gala dinner and award 2026 and their annual general meeting 2026. Then also we got this from them as well, showing a little bit of that. Then this is the footer of that particular page. Right now, if you want to look at the event, you hit the gala dinner. That will now take you to the gala dinner event page where you see the hero sections, and then we have reserve your ticket. Then we also have become a sponsor, of which if you hit any of this button, it's going to take you directly to the sections where those actions could take place. But we want to take you through every section of the pages we designed for them. All right, so this is for their past event, their elegance experience, their past event of 2024 and 2025 respectively. Then also we have this angle of it. Then we have to join us as well. Then we have of the content listen to us correctly. Then the event menu and all that. Then some clips from their past events. All right, then they come down to the elevate ticket. So which is this. So you can see that they have 4 categories of ticket which you can select from. Then also a note for every user who want to participate to know what they need to know before they register for this particular event. Then the sponsorship angle for those who want to sponsor them. So if you're entitled to sponsor them, why not? You can sponsor the event by contacting them at info@bnlf.org.uk. Right. Then this is the footer of the event. The footer of every event is constant or true, but the only thing that will change when we are swapping to this event, you see that this particular address will display and bring in the address where the next event is going to take place. So the only part we want to show again in this part is the ticket booking. So when somebody select a ticket, no matter which one you want to book in for, let's say I'm going for this, it's going to pop up the event ticket whereby you have to fill in everything. Then if you want to buy more than one ticket too, you can add it, and the backend application will calculate the cost and give it to you. And the Stripe payment gateway will now charge your card for that particular event. But I'm not going to go through registration process since it's a Stripe. Right. Then also, if you want support, maybe a user wants to support, they have to support. So any of the supports the user click is going to connect to them live on their WhatsApp, where they will now start chatting and discussing all that. So the next part we need to look at now is the AGM aspect of it. On the AGM, we also have a hero section that talks about the AGM. And somebody can easily click on this button to register for the AGM. And then also details about the AGM. All right. Then the program schedule, everything that going to happen on that day. Right. Why we want to attend, must attend. So the sections we also created, and you see the footer. But if you look at the address now, the address have changed. It's the same footer, but we only use programming application to control that, so that when they swap into this page, it automatically presents the correct address that the event is taking place. So if I click on this too, there will be a pop-up They have an online, the virtual aspect of the event where people can register for any part of the world to attend. When they click this, it's going to present them with the Zoom link where they will register and attend on that day of the event. And when they hit this, they are going to be presented with a form for those who want to attend. And this form is only going to take 15 persons. So when it gets to 15 persons, the system will lock out this form and nobody can be able to register again. So if we just fill the form and do all that and alright, so we can still go back to options, which is going to present of this. So I've been able to present the 2 events they have on this page. So any of this event, and if in the future if they want to host any other event, they don't have to come on the register. All they just need to do from the backend, the Laravel backend we have created, they could just put the event there and people will just go ahead to start register in minutes. Then also, if there's anybody that have issues during registration or any of the stuff, they could hit on the support button where they're going to see the support form. They fill it, it gets to them immediately as well, and through email for any of these reasons as well. So you see that we've been able to take you through the event landing page of BNLF. Yeah, so this is one of the parts we've been able to solve. We are meant to manage the entire website, but we decided to take care of the event aspect immediately. So as they are working on that, then we can now take care of the management to fine-tune the heavy load of the website. Is really heavy and messy. So we're going to take care of that. So stay here when we explore our own website, www.digitalbesltd.com.